me down from here!
You have to give me a chance to explain.
I am not listening to anything you have to say!
Then I won't speak. Just let me show you. Please, Astrid.
But Hans is not a stranger.
Oh, yeah? What's his last name?
Of the Southern Isles.
What's his favorite food?
Sandwiches.
Best friend's name?
Probably John.
Eye color.
Dreamy.
Foot size?
Foot size doesn't matter.
Have you had a meal with him yet? What if you hate the way he eats? What if you hate the way he picks his nose?
Picks his nose.
And eats it.
Excuse me, sir. He is a prince.
All men do it.
Ew. Look, it doesn't matter. It's true love.
Doesn't sound like true love.
Are you some sort of love expert?
No, but I have friends who are.
You have friends who are love experts. I'm not buying it.
Stop talking.
No. I'd like to meet these.
No, I mean it.
Shh. I never knew winter could be so beautiful.
What do you want, Sven?
Give me a snack,
What's the magic word?
please.
Share.
I can't believe that.
So anyway, I'm moving into my parents' basement. You should come by sometime to work out. You look like you work out.
Spotlight, you're done.
Oh, I guess it's just you and me, huh?
Nope, just you.
What are you doing?
I'm going to see my sister.
You're gonna kill yourself. I wouldn't put my foot there.
You're distracting me.
Or there.
Come on, I told you guys,
Astrid!
I'm fine.
Kristoff.
Anna!
But that's exactly how I feel.
Astrid, you and I have been through everything together. You don't think we can handle this? Astrid, you have me, no matter what. Okay, whatever that means, whatever you want it to mean, I am with you. There will always be a Hiccup and Astrid. Always.
Anna, we've got to get you back to Hans.
Hans.
Pull us out, Sven. Olaf, come on!
Well, this seems pretty perfect to me.
Yeah? Yeah, I guess it does.
We may.
Still doing that one. That's hilarious. Come here, you. Ooh.